Mastering online reputation. Social media missteps can crush a company's reputation overnight. How do organizations committed to operational excellence identify and mitigate the primary risks associated with social media use, ensuring their online reputation remains intact and protected from potential damages? To identify and mitigate the primary risks associated with social media use and ensure their online reputation remains intact, organizations committed to operational excellence implement a comprehensive social media risk management strategy. This strategy encompasses the following key elements. 1. Social media policy development. Establish a clear, concise, and widely communicated social media policy that outlines the organization's expectations, guidelines, and consequences for social media use. This policy should address employee conduct, confidentiality, and the use of company-owned devices and accounts. 2. Employee training and education. Provide regular training and education to employees on social media best practices, policy adherence, and the risks associated with social media misuse. This includes training on the organization's social media policy, online etiquette, and the importance of maintaining confidentiality. 3. Social media account management. Implement a centralized social media account management system to monitor, manage, and maintain all company-owned social media accounts. This includes assigning roles and responsibilities, setting access controls, and ensuring compliance with the organization's social media policy. 4. Content monitoring and review. Establish a content monitoring and review process to identify and address potential risks associated with user-generated content, such as derogatory comments, complaints, or misinformation. This process involves regular social media listening, sentiment analysis, and content moderation. 5. Crisis management planning. Develop a comprehensive crisis management plan to respond to social media-related crises, such as a social media backlash, reputation crisis, or data breach. This plan should outline roles, responsibilities, communication strategies, and escalation procedures. 6. Risk assessment and analysis. Conduct regular risk assessments to identify and analyze potential social media risks, such as data privacy risks, reputational risks, and operational risks. This includes identifying vulnerabilities, assessing the likelihood and impact of each risk, and developing mitigation strategies. 7. Compliance and governance. Establish a governance structure to ensure compliance with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards related to social media use. This includes ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations, consumer protection laws, and industry-specific standards. 8. Incident response planning. Develop an incident response plan to respond to social media-related incidents, such as a data breach, IP theft, or reputational crisis. This plan outlines procedures for incident response, containment, eradication, recovery, and post-incident activities. 9. Reputation monitoring and analytics. Implement a reputation monitoring and analytics system to track social media conversations, sentiment, and trends. This includes monitoring brand mentions, hashtags, and keywords to identify potential risks, opportunities, and insights. 10. Collaboration and communication. Foster collaboration and communication among departments, teams, and stakeholders to ensure a unified approach to social media risk management. This includes establishing cross-functional teams, conducting regular meetings, and sharing knowledge and best practices. 11. Continuous improvement and learning. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement and learning, where social media risks and incidents are analyzed, and lessons are learned to improve the organization's social media risk management strategy. By implementing these measures, organizations committed to operational excellence can effectively identify and mitigate the primary risks associated with social media use, ensuring their online reputation remains intact and protected from potential damages.